Good morning to all of you. Today we are discussing about entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the development today has become very significant in view of all the countries' development is based on the entrepreneurship development. Without proper development of entrepreneurship in any nation, there is no scope to development of their nation's income. That's why entrepreneurship is the most important to any nation. And the meaning and concept of entrepreneurship is here. The word entrepreneurship is derived from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake. So in this concept, an entrepreneur to undertake the risk to establishment of the new enterprises. An enterprise is created by an entrepreneur. What the entrepreneur create, that creation is called as entrepreneurship. That the meaning is here: entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and enterprise. Entrepreneur, individual. Entrepreneurship, plan of action. Enterprise, it's a business process. So that's why in entrepreneurship, two terms we have discussed: entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, enterprise. Okay, so this is the meaning of entrepreneurship. What is the importance of entrepreneurship of any nations? The first one is that development of managerial abilities. Those who people taking steps to establishment of organization, that should be encourages that human being, those who have full of capabilities to development of their business. So automatically entrepreneurship is causes to the development of manager abilities. Next one is that creation of organizations. So without proper development of organization sectors of any nation, there is no development of the nation. So entrepreneurship established causes to the creation of more organizations. And next one is that development of the standard of living. Those countries have the much more entrepreneurial countries, means automatically provides the more employment opportunities. It causes to increase the income levels of the employees. It automatically improves the standard of living of the people. And fourth one is that means of economic development. Any nation, the development based on the nation's resources. If there is no development of entrepreneurship, there is no chances to be use the ideal resources of nations. So if there is an entrepreneurship, there is a chances to be improvement of the means of the economic development. So these are the importance of entrepreneurship development. And what are the characteristics of entrepreneurs? The most probably every entrepreneur, they can develop their economic and dynamic activity. Entrepreneur automatically, what purpose he has established the organization? Profit, gains one. That's why every entrepreneur, the main characteristic they have thinking about their economic policies. Next one is that as they have to implement it. How? So that means his activities are always dynamic. According to his dynamic activity system, it causes to be put forward him into establishment of organizations. That is the one character here. Next one is that innovations. Yes, already some products already exist in the market. Many people are ready to be purchased that goods. But even he introducing the new product means we have to be study on the innovative goods and innovative techniques. So that's why every entrepreneur is thinking related to innovation, his characters. Third one is that profitable potentialities. Yes, organizer or an entrepreneur, the main aim is profitization. So how he can improve his profitization through his activities. So that's why profit potentiality is the main aim of any entrepreneur. And fourth one is that a risk bearing. Why? Because that's whenever he is ready to be establishment of an enterprise, you have to be ready to face the pros and cons who are coming in their way, up and downs. You're ready to face it. That's why if you're an entrepreneur, you're ready to face that and a risk while he's established the organizations. These are the characteristics of entrepreneur. And what is the process of entrepreneurship? While establishment of enterprise, what the system they have to follow? Then the process of entrepreneurs. Here is the two processes they are implemented. One, the process is idea generation. Second one is that feasible study. Okay, let's discuss about idea generation next. Any individual who want to establishment an enterprise, first you have to think of germination. Germination means what product we have to produce, which products which is demand in the market. First you have to thinking is ideology. So recognition of the product. Next one is that preparation. Means if you think about one product you want to produce in the market, he prepared how to produce it. It's a plan. Next one is that whenever he is recognized and germination and preparation, then after he commits such incubation. That means keep all togetherly. Incubation. Fantasism. So this is an idea generated by an entrepreneur. When an idea generated, the entrepreneur next step is that feasibility of the study. What his prepared plan, whether is possible to implement it or not. Then he first think that illumination means that how much it is right. Yes, is it true or false? You have to be thinking about that. How much is the true? How much is the false? So he follow the what the true of his idea generation. That means the illumination. Then after what is ready to be implemented his plan, that he prepared himself of his validation. That means he is verified itself how much it is right. So when it is the right, then he is ready to be implemented his plan of action to establishment of enterprise. This is the process of enterprise. Okay, I think that you understand. Today we discuss about that. What is entrepreneurship? What is it meaning and concept? What is the importance of entrepreneurship? What are the characteristics of entrepreneur? What is the process of entrepreneurs?